And I'm done setting your test, so you guys shouldn't worry. It's pretty easy. Okay.
Ma'am,
Mm-hmm.
it was just now 2021
What's
and it's
happening?
already March 2022.
Yes, time flies. Hey. All right. Today I want us to look at discount. Okay. Just to go back to the definition of discount. It's somewhere here. Okay. So it is the amount deducted from asking price before payment. For example, if you're selling mangoes to class and you decide to sell them at a discount. So if you're selling one mango at 5 rands, then you decide to sell at a discount maybe at 3 rands. Or if someone buys 5 mangoes or more, you give a discount of maybe 2 rands. Okay, so that's what I want us to look at today. I hope I'm recording this. Okay, so let's look at number 3, because number 3 has discount questions. Will I still make a profit if I sell it with discount? Okay, let's read the question A. Where's my pen? There we go. You are buying sweets in large packets of 100 rand for 12 rands for 5 per packet. You are selling to your friends for 20 cents per sweet. Okay, so we have 100 sweets and we're selling for 20 cents each. Okay, if they buy 10 sweets or more at a time, you give them a 25% discount. Okay, so it's going to be 25% of that 20 cents. That's what you're giving them. All right. During the first break, you sell 35 loose sweets and 25 sweets at discounted price. So you're selling altogether 35 plus 25, but the 25 sweets you sold are at a discounted price. Okay, so now I want to check. Wait, before I check something, what will your profit be? So, who has an idea of how to go about it? I'm thinking of just switching to my board because I won't have enough space to work it out there. Who has an idea of how to go about it? Okay, let me just switch to my board. Anyone who wants to try? So the first thing that you need to do there is find out how much did you sell the 25 sweets for. Okay, right, let me do this. Give me a minute. Because I realized this wasn't covered in one of your pre-recorded videos. That's why I was hesitating to give you homework and submit. Okay, there we go. Then share, stop sharing. Anyone who has an idea or you're still thinking about it? Okay, it's this one. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's find out how much each sweet will be. Okay, remember we are selling for 20 cents per sweet. Okay, and all you need to do there, the first thing, is to calculate how much you're going to sell each sweet at a discounted price. So all you need to do there is find out what the 25% of 20 cents is. So it's going to be 25% of 20 cents. Okay, who can work it out for us there? So 25% is a fraction. We all know percentages are always over 100. So 25% is just 25 over 100. Off means times 20 cents. So what is 25 over 100 of 20 cents? Who can tell us there the answer? Take out your calculators.
Ma'am, I think the answer
Mm-hmm.
is
Five.
40 or 4.
No, it can be. So 25 can go in there once. I'm reducing that. 25 can go there into 100 4 times. Sorry. Now 4 can go there once and 4 goes there 5 times. So which means the discount given there is 5 cents. Or you can just take out your calculator and work out what's 25 over 100 times 20 cents.
5.
So I don't know how you were getting 40 there. Okay. So for every sweet here in these 25 sweets, you are giving a discount of 5 cents. Okay. So if you're giving a discount of 5 cents, how much are you selling each sweet here at a discounted price? How much are you selling? If your sweet is 20 cents and you're giving a discount of 5 cents, what's the selling price? What's the final selling price? I'm hearing 15, but I'm not sure who's saying 15. Okay, it is 15. It's just 20 cents minus the discount of 5 cents, which is 15 cents. So this tells us that with these 25 sweets that you sold at a discounted price, you were selling each at 15 cents. So all you need to do there is find out the total selling price for 25 sweets and the total selling price for 35 sweets. So for the 35 loose sweets, you are just selling them at 20 cents each because you're not giving a discount there. Now for the 25 sweets at discounted price, you're selling them at how much each? At
15
at
cents.
15 cents. Okay. So which means do I have space? Yes. Let me make space a bit. Okay. All right. So which means total, where's my pen? Keeps disappearing. I don't know why. So total selling price will be equal to, remember we said we're selling the 35 loose sweets at 20 cents each. How much did we get from 35? It's going to be 20 cents times 35. We're trying to find out the selling price for 35 sweets. Okay. Plus the discounted price. So it's going to be, remember we're selling each at 15 cents times 25 sweets. Okay. Take out your calculators and calculate that for me. So 20 times 35, which means we have 700 cents here from the loose sweets, plus 15 times 25, we have 375 cents from the discounted sweets. So 700 plus 375, we have 1,700.
1,750. 1,075.
Yes. So we have 1,075 cents, which is just how many rands?
Mm, 10,
I think it's
uh,
1 rand 75 cents.
It's
1 rand is 100 cents.
mhm.
Oh, 10 rand.
So it's
But
10
10 rand,
rand
ma'am, 10 rand,
and
75
75
cents.
cents. Good. Okay. So that's how much we got from selling 35 loose sweets and 25 sweets at discounted price. Now that we know
Can't
our
you just sell
total
them at
selling price,
normal price?
sorry,
Can't you just sell them at normal price?
come again?
Can't you just sell them at normal price? Because
What?
this is a lot of work.
Well, with every business, somehow you have to give a discount. Okay. I guess if you want, in reality, you can sell them at normal price. But maybe because, you're selling your sweets to your friends and you really like your friends, you decide to sell
No,
them.
they must pay full price. I don't think you're my best friend. You pay full price.
Okay, now we know that when you're selling your stuff, we have to pay full price.
Yes.
All right. What did I want to say? Okay, so now we have calculated the total selling price for 35 sweets and 25 sweets. Now we need to calculate if we have made profit. All right. Okay. Let's see if we made profit there. Remember, we bought our sweets for how much? 12 rands, 45 cents per packet. Okay. All right. So if you remember quite well, yesterday we said profit is equal to your selling price minus your buying price. Okay. All right. Why is it? It looks like we made a loss there. Our selling price is, if I go back, it's 10 rands and 75 cents. There's something we did wrong there. It looks like we're making a loss. Can you tell? Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, let's go back and read the question. You're buying sweets in a large packets of 100 for 12 rands per packet. You are selling to your friends 20 cents per sweet. If they buy 100 sweets or more at a time, you give them 25% discount. During the first break, you sold 35 loose sweets and 25 sweets. Oh, okay. I see where we went wrong. So these sweets, remember, if you buy 10 sweets or more at a time, right? You give them a discount of 25%. So we are supposed to discount 35 sweets as well. What will your profit be? Do you see that? Or maybe I'm reading the question wrong. Wait. Okay. So you have a large packet of 100 that you buy for 12 rands for 5. You are selling to your friends for 20 cents each. Okay. But then you manage to sell 35 loose sweets and 25 sweets at a discounted price. No, we didn't make a mistake at all. We are making a loss here. So your selling price is 10 rand, 75, and your buying price is 12 rands, 45. So you're making a loss here by giving your friends a discount. Do you see that? Hello, am I talking to myself?
No,
Yes,
Ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Oh, I had no, ma'am. What are you guys talking about?
Nothing much.
No, in the chat box, I see. I don't know what you guys are talking about. So we can subtract this for us and see what loss we're making from those sweets that we're selling. I don't know why I'm not comfortable with this question. I feel like I need to sit down and read it carefully. Okay,
We get 2 rand and
2 rands, just to make sure I didn't miss anything. I have to sit down and look at it carefully. So you got 2 rands and
30 cents.
50 cents. 50.
No, 30.
30 cents. Okay. All right. I'll also sit down and look at it carefully. Then when we meet next time, we go through it again. Something's fishy about that question.
Yeah, even I'm confused
Something
about
is
it.
fishy. Like it's so confusing here. If it was 35 plus 25 on discount, what's happening? All right. But then you get the idea of how you calculate discount.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Let's see if we can do another question that clarifies.
no, ma'am. Maybe I think the question is a trick question.
You think it's a trick question?
Yes.
How about you think about it? Then when we meet on Friday, you give me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Let's go back to our book. Right. What's the time? Okay.
It's almost to 10.
It's almost to 10. Okay. Still have time. All right. I'll look at it carefully. Then we'll discuss it on on Friday. Something is official about that question. All right. Let's do this one. I think I gave you this problem as I don't remember. I probably give you guys this problem as part of your task 2. Task 2 assessment. I almost did it for you guys. I'm not going to do it. Okay, let's look at another question. Maybe we can do another question together. You are buying a fruit directly from the market and sell it to your neighbors, friends, and family. Last weekend, you bought 3 boxes of bananas. Each box contained 12 bunches of 12 bananas. Okay. Each box cost you 75 rands. You managed to sell 80% of the bananas at 65 cents each. The rest of the bananas got too ripe and you sold them at a discount of 80%. Okay, this is much more clearer. Let's see if we have time. Right, so you have 3 boxes of bananas, each containing 12 bunches.
Which has 12 bananas each.
And each bunch has 12 bananas. Okay. Each box cost you 75. So the buying price is 75 rands times 3 because we have 3 boxes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's how much?
225.
225. All right. Then Each box cost you, okay, we've read that. You managed to sell 80% of the bananas at 65 cents each. So how many bananas do we have in total? How many bananas do we have in total?
Are you saying in the boxes, ma'am?
Yes, in the 3 boxes.
Do you use multiplication or addition?
So in each box, you have 144
36.
bananas. Do you see that? Because you have 12 bunches of bananas. So 12 bunches of 12 bananas each. So each bunch has 12.
They said they bought 3 boxes.
Then, yes, this is for 1 box. Oh my word, we bought a
Ma'am?
lot of, yes?
Isn't it 144?
Yes, for 1
Without
box,
my calculator.
yes. For 1 box, we have 144 bananas. What about 3 boxes? How many bananas do we have? It's 144 times 3. What do you get?
132.
Ma'am.
Come again?
432.
432.
432 bananas. Okay. All right. Now, what did I want to say? Oh, this. They say you are selling 80% of those bananas at 65 cents. Okay, I feel like I need to go back to my board because I don't have space. So which means 80% of 432 bananas are being sold at 65 cents. Okay. What is 80% of 432? It's going to be equal to 80% over 100 times 432. Okay. That should give you, use your calculators. These are very long questions. I underestimated them.
345.6.
Sorry, come again.
34,556.
So it's roughly about,
About 345.6.
so I'll just round it off and say 346 bananas. Okay. So from those,
140.
yes, I just rounded it off.
Oh,
Okay. So from those 346 bananas, we know we are selling each at 65 cents. Okay. Let's find the total selling price for the 80% of bananas. So it's going to be 346 bananas times 65 cents. So that's the buying price. Sorry, that's the selling price. I underestimated these questions. They're so long. I thought they're gonna be quick. So this is selling. Multiply that, how much do you get?
22,490.
22,490.
90.
Alright, which is just how many rands? Divide by 100. It's going to be 224 rands and 90 cents. Are we together there?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Awesome. So that's how much
Yes,
we
ma'am.
are selling this 80% of the bananas. Okay. Now the rest of the bananas are sold at discount of 80%. Okay. So we need to calculate, okay, how many bananas are we left with from 432? Okay. So from 432 bananas minus the ones we sold at 65 cents is, which is 346 bananas. Okay, how much do you get there? How many bananas are too ripe? Sorry. I'll never give you such a long question, guys, in a test. No way.
364.
86. 86.
86 bananas. I trust you guys. 86 bananas. Yes, you're right. Okay. So those are the bananas that we sold at discount. Okay. Now we need to find out how much are we selling these bananas since we are selling them at 80% discount. Okay, remember each banana is 65 cents and we need to find out how much is the discount. So in order for you to get how much the discount is, it's going to be 80%, which is just 80 over 100 times 65 cents. Okay. Right.
$52.
Is it 52 cents?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
This is
52.
52.
But why would we give a discount of 52 cents? That's a rip-off. Alright, so that's the discount you are giving, which means you are selling each banana for how much? Let me make space here. Which means you are selling each banana for 65 cents minus 52 cents. Okay, how much is that?
13.
13.
13.
So you are selling each ripe banana for 13 cents. Okay. Now we need to look at, sorry guys, I'm making space everywhere. The total selling price, okay, which is going to be the 224 rands. 90, looks like we're making a loss again here. Plus, remember we're selling each ripe banana at 13 cents. And we are left with how many ripe bananas? 86 ripe bananas. So it's going to be 86 times 13, which is 86 ripe bananas times 13 cents.
Equals 1,118.
Which is
1,118.
1,118 cents, which is how many rands? 111 rands and 80 cents. Okay. We divide by 100 to get the number of rands. Alright. Did I get that right? 1,118 divided by 100 is actually 11 cents. I got my math wrong there. Okay.
11.18 cents.
Yes, so it's 11 cents and 11 rands and 18 cents. Right. Looks like we're heading at a loss here as well. So you add that 11 rands, 18 cents. All right. It's equal to, let's add those 224.90 plus 11.18, which means our total selling price there for the day is 236 rands and 8 cents. Okay. Right. Looks like we made a loss again. Because our buying price is how much? There we go. 225 rands. Oh no, we didn't make a loss, guys. Oh, wonderful. Do you see why? Look at our selling price. It's more than the buying price.
So we made a profit.
So we made a bit of a profit even though it's not that much. Okay. So if we calculate our profit, I promise you guys I'll never give you such a question in a test or exam. This is quite tedious for you. But at least you get the idea of how you calculate discount, right?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Profit is equal to selling minus buying. Okay. And we're selling at 236 and 8 cents minus the buying price, which is 225 rands. If you subtract that, what you get? I'm sure we're making peanuts there. because of the ripe bananas?
23,383.
No, it can't be 23,000.
It's 11.
11 rands.
Yes, ma'am.
And how many cents?
My calculator's broken.
It's 11 rands and 8 cents. So this is how much we're making from that business. Whew. Imagine how many things did we do?
We did a lot.
We did a lot, you see? But I need you guys to get a general idea of how you calculate discount. Okay, because there's a question like that in your assignment. It's the last question, okay? So the question in your assignment is just this one here in your books. I just took this problem solving question. I think it's much more easier than what we've done today. You don't need to do a lot of stuff with this one. Okay. Alright, that's it from me, guys. We're way past the time. I'll see you on Friday. Make sure you get your assignment done, alright? It's due next week on Monday at 8 a.m., alright?
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, guys.